Hey, today we are replacing battery in remote from Volkswagen Golf MK7. All you need is two screwdrivers, one a little bit wider to pry the cover and one thin one to pry the battery itself. Also you will need another battery to replace. So first open the key fob, use flat screwdriver to pry this cover. You should put the screwdriver about here. Okay, one clip is released. Now let's do same on the other side. Okay, both clips are released. Now you can use your fingers to move it a little bit higher. There's a rubber seal over here and the battery is over here. Use flat thin screwdriver and put it in this gap. Battery size is 20-25 and the positive side is facing upwards. So let's put it back and let's close the cover. Just push it back in place. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this tutorial and see you soon.